How to write a proper email. Step-by-step guide. Number 1. An opener. An opener is a quick greeting to the sender before writing your main message. Examples: Hi, dear, greetings, hi there. Avoid using Dear Sir, Dear Madam, a misspelled name, to whom it may concern, hey, only for close friends and close colleagues. Number 2. The body. The body of an email is the most important part. It needs to have a specific purpose, such as arranging a meeting, getting feedback, etc. It should be precise and short. You shouldn't write the email too long. Keep it between 3 to 5 lines of text. Number 3. The closing. To end things off, you need a closing. Just like the opener, you want to start an email by greeting the sender. For the closing, you want to end the email. Examples: Thanks, best regards, sincerely, cheers. Under the closing, write your name. Number 4. The subject line. The subject line is what your email is about. It's like the title of your email. Like a book, the title must be attractive for people to read. So does your email. Fun fact: did you know that only 33% of people decide to open an email or not just by looking at the subject line? If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos.